Hey folks, another quick and simple DIY for you. I wanted to set a highlight between my gray carpet and the gray wall and install the stair skirt. In this video, I'll show you how I did it. First, I put a baseboard on the wall. I let it rest on the stairs, measured and cut to length. I fastened it to the wall and with trim head screws. Then I cut a template for the space between the stair treads and the baseboard. I needed a few tries to get it perfect. Make it tight so you won't have any visible spaces later. Then I cut all the pieces I needed, painted them white and pushed them underneath the baseboard. No fastening needed because they fit tightly. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.